Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 16 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 11 for chapter 16 digestion and absorption. So let's start with the video. First question, which cells of crypts of Leeuwenhoek secrete antibacterial lysozyme? The option A is Argentine cell, the option B is zymogen cells, option C is Kupffer cells, and option D is Penneet cell. The right answer is option D, Penneet cell. Question 2. A baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to play school and passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy had 20 teeth. Which teeth were absent? The option is incisors, the option B is premolars, and option C is molars, and option D is canines. The right answer is option B, premolars. Question third. Which hormones stimulate the production of pancreatic juice and bicarbonate? Option A is insulin and glucagon. Option B is cholecystokinin and secretin. And option C is gastrin and insulin. And option D is none. The right answer is option B, cholecystokinin and secretin. Question 4. The primary dentition in human differs from permanent dentition in not having one of the following types of teeth. The option A is premolars, option B is molars, option C is canines, and option D is incisors. The right answer is option A, premolars. Question 5. The initial step in the digestion of milk in humans is carried out by option A is pepsin, option B is trypsin, option C is renin, and option D is lipase. The right answer is option C, renin. Question 6. A healthy person eats the following diet: 5 gram raw sugar, 4 gram albumin, and 10 gram pure buffalo ghee adulterated with 2 gram vegetable ghee, hydrogenated vegetable oil, and 5 gram lignin. So, how many calories is he likely to get? The option A is 144, option B is 112, option C is 164, and option D is 126. So, the right answer is option E, 144. Question 7th. Where do certain symbiotic microorganisms normally occur in human body? So the option A is duodenum, option B is tongue surface and oral lining, and option C is rectum and vermiform appendix, and option D is caecum. So the right answer is option D, caecum. Question 8. One of the constituents of pancreatic juice that is poured into the duodenum in humans is option A is trypsin, option B is chemotrypsin, option C is trypsinogen, and option D is nitrokinase. The right answer is option C, trypsinogen. Question 9. Two friends are eating together on a dining table. One of them suddenly starts coughing while swallowing some food. This coughing would have been due to improper movement of option A is neck, option B is tongue, option C is diaphragm, and option D is epiglottis. The right answer is option D, epiglottis. The last question for this lecture is: if for some reason our goblet cells are non-functional, this will adversely affect option A is maturation of sperms, option B secretion of sebum from sebaceous gland, option D is production of somatostatin, and option D is smooth movement of food down the intestine. The right answer is option D, smooth movement of food down the intestine.